loan card, deposit card in the print format. So how we can take the print out also? So how we can do this? Just have a look. So from the search bar, I will search one customer, let's say F-1. So here I have created one loan for this customer. So let's search one loan 35, loan number 35. So here you can see this loan given to the personal loan Janvi Jadhav, and principal is 10,000, interest 1200. So for example, if I go to the print format, here I have added loan card and loan agreement. Now I will select loan card and I want to give the printout of this to the customer. So just click, you can check the loan card and you can click to the print option. So here you can see this print, the paper size is coming. So you can just enter all the details and take the print. You can use the small printer, and you can just click to the email. You can send the email as well to your customer. So this type we can take the printout easily, and from where we can just configure this. So for example, let's say I will go to the master setup, print template. So here you can see I have added different types of templates, and we have pre-configured print template format. So you can select this, and already we have added this, so you need to just copy from here this. So I have already added loan agreement, loan card, deposit card, membership form and appointment letter. So for example, let's say search customer F-1. So here if I click to the star icon, here you can see view print format. So in the print format, here I have added the membership form. So I will select this and done. So just click to the view print. So you can see here the membership form is coming. So if I click to the print, here you can check the how it will look. So it is like a paper size, and you can click to the print and you can give this membership form in the while doing the field collection as well. You can give to the customer. So like this we can manage our finance business very easy way in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.